Well, hi, this is Mike Ellis with GTR, and I lead a recruiting firm. We're focused in power. We do power delivery engineering and leadership roles all across the country. And so today I wanted to bring to you an exciting opportunity in New York. This is an opportunity in which we're looking for an operations and maintenance manager or an O&M manager to oversee the installation, commissioning, maintenance, and engineering of a high voltage DC converter station and cable systems in the New York area. So this individual needs to have a BSEE and at least 5 years of HVDC type experience. So if you are that individual or you know someone that has that sort of experience and background and would have an interest in being involved in this really exciting role and project, would love to have you send your resume or referrals to mike@globaltalentnow.com. Thank you and take care.